What?
Jacob's afraid of being afraid, and so are you. And that's the fucking problem right now.
That's why it's like, I can't believe it. It's getting wild. I'm fucked up in the mind. What the fuck is my style? I'm full of shit. I'm an asshole. They kicked me in my rear end and that my shit is fucking up gold. I ain't seen things in years to go, but I don't know what the fuck I need to piss in a pee hole. I haven't seen my balls so many long years, but I told myself, what the fuck am I doing here?
Balls around, so there's a circular logic, but I'm gonna circumvent that shit for something that's talking to it. Because when your balls are here and here and here and up and around, then you're the whole globe and you are existing.
Come to your crown.
Woo!
Ooh. So if those are the balls you're talking about, then yeah, mine's the biggest. Because I know I is the only drill tip.
It sounds like I stepped into some dog shit when the dog didn't even find his tracks. It's like his foot got stuck in my ass. If I didn't ask for it, I don't have to. My kitty cats, they stand outside the door begging for food. I ain't got shit for you. Sounds like it's a problem, but I don't have to ask that. Those cats are ours. What the fuck was that?
Oh, what the fuck was that? I went
the fuck
down to
was
Mississippi and it wasn't a cat. It was a dog with a noose around its neck like that. Fur was gone, there was blood. I was having a bath at my dad for showing me that movie, The Care Bears in Wonderland. You ever seen that shit? That shit was my fam. You go down to Wonderland, Wonderland. Where Janelle Monáe says, yes we can, yes we can. Yes we can,
Yo.
yes we can.
Yes, we can.
I'm
All
admit.
we Pan-African, Pan-African. So I got a question from my friend.
Yes, we can.
Yo.
There's a thing called cultural appropriation. I'm the fucking queen. So if you want to be part of the new world order, you better appropriate with better.
Oh yeah, that's right.
With better.
Well, better ever look like I gotta put shit together. Ooh.
Boobies.
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 They feed the planet Earth for what it's fucking worth.
What?
They plead and they birth, but yet you call her Earth to cover
What?
her up. Just cover her up again. I'm gonna wear clothes. I'm gonna finally pretend I'm not with
Oh shit.
America again.
America.
America again. America again.
They call me motherfucker, but nigga isn't what? I call my homies niggas even they white or Mexican. But they don't.
I'm sorry, you were saying something, but I got the fire tongue. I'm sorry, you were saying Max. You were saying Max. You were saying Max. I can. Yeah, you were saying mix. You were saying mix.
Uh-huh.
You were saying mix.
Oh shit.
I can.
I
I
can.
can. I can. Fire tongue. Fire tongue. When it's dry, son, that's when the desert's won. I 49, no, 11 years. Since 2013, I cried my last tears. First years in the desert, with Satan by my side. And like Dr. King, I had to run hide for a little while. I'm sorry, but it's really hard to keep my shirt on.
Yeah.
Hard to keep my shirt on.
God.
It's so hard
That's
to
right.
keep my shirt on.
Tell 'em what's up. Yeah.
It's so hard to keep my shirt on. To keep my shirt on.
Uh-huh. It's all good. That's right, that's right.
To keep my shirt on.
It's hard.
Alright.
Keep my shirt on. Cause everybody ain't been fed. Cause everybody ain't been fed.
Fed.
Everybody ain't been fed. Keep your shirt on. So keep your shirt on. So keep your shirt on.
Good on.
Cause everybody ain't been fed.
Fed.
Everybody ain't
Ain't
been
been
fed.
fed.
Everybody ain't been fed. By the soul, by the spirit, by the blood. Everybody ain't been fed. Everybody's already dead. Nobody's fed. Nobody's fed. We're all hungry instead. Nobody's been fed. Nobody's got air. Nobody's got science. This is what you wanted, wasn't it? This is what you wanted, wasn't it? Now you got it. Now you got it. This is what he wanted. This is what he wanted.
This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted.
Action math. I wanted action. I wanted action. This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. Yes, we can.
Yes, you motherfucking can. Hell yeah.
Yes, we can.
Can, motherfuckers.
Yes, we can.
Let me try it.